Hi, I'm Jaismeet. I'm from India. I'm doing level 4 cookery course in New Zealand at the moment. The reason why I chose to study overseas would be the exposure I'll be getting here and the opportunities that in the near future that the different overseas countries will give me. I chose the cookery course because my mom inspired me. Like, me and my mom used to run our own home bakery. So from there, the inspiration came that yes, I can do something in the cookery course. So basically, she's my inspiration at the moment, and she inspired me to come here. She's the main reason why I'm sitting here. Over here, it is amazing. The tutors are amazing. They are very friendly. Basically, our tutor Jaismeet is one of the best tutor we have, and he teaches us so many things, and we get to know him by the knowledge he gives us and the industry experience he has. So it's basically all over the best thing. For every day, I wake up at 5:30 in the morning to catch my first bus because I live far away from here, which is like an hour from my city. So I take the first bus, then I sleep in the bus because it's an hour journey. Then I get here at 8 around. So my classes starts from 8:15 to 12:30. That's the classes time. Then mostly if I have some time, then I roam around the city, then go back to my workplace. I work as a ladder chef in Northern Union. So I work there for 20 hours a week. Finding jobs over here is easy at the moment because we have many apps like Seek. We can see what job we want, like for the course you want or for whatever opportunity you are getting it. You can just scroll through and apply from your CV. I got my job because my uncle was working there as a chef, so he recommended that place to me. And for international students, there is more scope. The college also provides us many details about the opportunities we can get for jobs. Like the other day, St. Pierre Sushi, they came here for the job interviews, and many other places have also been here for interviews and everything. Like, they want us to work for them and interview us. So there's no such thing that we find difficult for a job. We can get a job in a day or two if we are lucky enough. As an international student, is missing home, the homesickness. Otherwise, over here, especially in the campus, there's no such difficulties. Like, we are just a part of a family and everybody treat us so good. Like, it's like being home, far away from home. I've tried different cuisine. Like, I tried sushi the other day for the very first time. I tried raw beef. It was just different cuisines at the moment. It took me 2 months to get my visa with all the preparation done with my stuffs and the fees and everything. Basically, the admissions team also helped us a lot and giving us the schedule time, which campus would be better for me to travel. And there are many campuses in Auckland for the NZMA. The next big step for my career would be going back home and opening my own home bakery with my mom, because can't do anything without her. So she has to be there with me when I open the home bakery. So basically, that's the main new plan. Only advice I'll give, be confident and step out of your comfort zone, because you have to go out and see the world with your own eyes, and your parents won't be there, and you have to see the world through your eyes and be there, stand up and earn. And at the moment, I also recommended this place to my friend, and she's gonna join us soon in May, so hope so.